In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select and customize a starter layout template during account setup to create consistent site-wide branding. As you begin the sign-up process, one of the first important choices you'll make is selecting a starter layout template. This template gives your site a foundation, so instead of building everything from scratch, you're starting with a structure that already has a general style and layout in place. When choosing your template, look for one that feels closest to the kind of website you want to create. The goal here is not to find something perfect right away, but to choose a strong starting point that you can easily personalize. Once you've selected your starter layout and entered the site editor, head to the top right toolbar and click the paintbrush icon. This is where you'll open Site Styles, which controls the overall visual design of your website. Think of this area as the central place for setting the look and feel of your brand across the entire site. Inside Site Styles, begin by reviewing your fonts. This is where you can define the typography that will appear throughout your pages. Choose font styles that match the tone of your brand and are easy to read. For example, you'll want headings to feel clear and distinctive, while body text should remain clean and comfortable for longer reading. Next, move on to your colors. This section lets you apply a consistent color palette across your website. Try to use colors that align with your branding while still maintaining strong contrast, so your text remains readable and important elements stand out clearly. A good color setup helps your site feel more polished and professional. After that, explore the animation settings. These allow you to control how elements appear or move throughout the site. It's usually best to keep animations subtle so they enhance the experience without becoming distracting. Smooth, minimal movement can make your site feel modern while still keeping the focus on your content. Then review the spacing options. Adjusting spacing helps control how open, compact, or balanced your layout feels. Good spacing improves readability and gives each section room to breathe, which makes your site easier to navigate. Once you finish customizing your fonts, colors, animations, and spacing, save your changes. This step is important because it establishes your global brand defaults, meaning those visual settings will carry across your site automatically. That saves time later and helps keep everything consistent as you continue building. By setting these styles early, you create a cleaner workflow and a more professional final result.